A system only works if your team actually uses it.
Most AI projects fail because teams aren't trained, supported, or included in the process. I fix that by making training simple and practical, especially for key employees. I walk your team through the new workflows, show them how the tools work, and give them clear, step-by-step guides. No jargon, no overwhelm. When people understand the why, they embrace the how. Training builds confidence, consistency, and long-term success. In Santa Fe, people matter. Good systems should make their work easier, not harder. SantaFayBusiness.ai. Systems your team will actually use. A fractional CTO can be a game changer for your business, helping you scale efficiently and maximize your technology investments. To see how we can benefit your company, visit SantaFayBusiness.ai/hello. Let's build your future together.